Right, we're back. We're back again. We're back, guys.
Back in the back alleys.
It's Bonfire Night. If you don't know what Bonfire Night, I'll give you the history lesson is for our non-UK viewers, right? So, this fella tried to blow up the king or something on November the 5th, like 100 years ago or something.
Do you actually know? Do you only know like the time?
Guy Fawkes was pissed off and he tried to blow up King Arthur, and then he's in the parliament or castle, I think, and then but he got caught and arrested and his head got chopped off.
I know, now we just put fireworks up.
So now we just light fireworks every year.
I mean, they do go off every night.
They do like, but we like.
I'm surprised there's not going off yet, but saying that, it's not pitch black yet.
Yeah, so we light them every year, and we're gonna see fireworks today.
Are we?
Yeah, are we?
No, are we? I'm grabbing the club. You can go next fireworks. I'm an adult now.
So am I in the 2 weeks. Never usually go out for Bombing Night, but
And we were all like, JB, come with us.
I was like, okay, I completely forgot it was Bombing Night today.
I believe you.
Right, we're going to. Where are we going?
In here to get me a bottle of vodka. I want a bottle of vodka.
Wow, vodka. Vodka.
Actually, I dropped the vodka.
We got vodka.
We got vodka. It's here.
It's a baby.
It's not a baby, it's a big bottle.
It had the names on it. Yeah.
I want this.
Go away. I tried to stick it on
I'm
it.
gonna get it. It's got the plastic number on.
I know. I'm leaving litter in the fucking front and it's got their name and address on.
Do you know, just go. Live, just where I live for. Just law.
I'll tell you. Norway. Distracted.
Strapped in, I'm ready to go. Strapped on.
Strapped on.
Oh,
See it?
diggly, diggly, diggly. You're up.
Why can we not go off when my phone's there? Not fair. Guys, we're going to the hills.
Okay, this way.
We're going to a school apparently. We're gonna see fireworks. Say hello.
Hello, watch the boom.
Ah, don't get fucking run over. I've just lost my life on camera, fucking hell.
You're going to stand up the graves. Yeah, watch the graves.
Why will they pop out? I've just stood on them as you said that. I think I'm gonna be killed. Stood on them. I'm alright. I think I've stood on 5. It's alright. There's fireworks everywhere. Well, obviously it's Bombing Night, but like, yeah, 5th of November. Remember, the 5th of November. Gunpowder, treason and plots. There is no reason, I don't know, bye. Guys, we've made it. There's bits going on. It smells like smoke.
Hey, look, here's
Whoa! I felt that in my head. That was weird.
You've never seen a firework in your life?
Obviously, I've seen a fucking firework.
Well, the one time your mum did set a firework off and blew your
Actually, yeah. This is what happened when my mum tried setting off a firework. Firework. Every time I turn around, they go away. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what? Fucking hell! Let's see your bag, Mia.
Corona. A good bit there.
We made it to a big fire.
This isn't even on fire that we're supposed to be going to.
But one went up there. Oh, there it is. I just got a firework. One went off by me and like some like sparkly tingly thing went landed on my foot. It was quite scary, but I'm okay. Guys, I can't see. The fire's getting lit. Copyright. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
It's a vlog.
Fucking cheers.
Fire's on.
Hi guys.
It's fire. It's blazing.
The fire's fucking blazing. I can feel the heat from here. I hope I hope he don't burn. We're sat on a blanket. As you can see it. Blanket.
The fire is firing. The fire is firing.
Right, we've had to move because they decided to set up the fireworks right fucking next to us. We never blew up. But we're sat by the fire now.
Where's the tasting station?
Yeah, got a beer, got a fire,
Got a coffee bag and a vape.
got a coffee bag and a vape. Life's good. Right, we've had to stand up and move because we just now got blew up by fireworks again, but we're fine.
I'm scared. I'm shivering in my boots. Shiver me.
Oh look, there we go.
Oh, it was only a baby.
I hope you've seen that. I used my front camera.
Oh.
Guys, I've got 3 beers. Well, this one beer 1, this one beer 2, this one beer 3. I'm gonna drink all 3 of them. Oh yeah. You go in the sky. Fireworks. Fireworks. Guys, we're sat dangerously close to the fireworks and the particles landed on me back. I'm scared. I may die. It's okay though, because I got beer. Guys, we're getting warm by the fire.
By the way,
How you like fire?
I like
the
fire.
I love fire. Feel like a caveman right now.
I am a caveman. I'm from the crudes.
Burn the fire.
Oh, is it?
Crudes, yeah. I love the crudes. Release the baby. Yeah, I can feel it in my
Tasty,
eyeballs.
tasty, tasty.